Hey traders, welcome to episode 373 of the show. Could be doing anything but you're here on a Thursday, which is great because, you know, the weekend's coming, man. It's on its way. So, Bitcoin don't really care, does it? Kappa, but the bad English, right? It doesn't care. You know, kind of really outside of that little channel, but with the wick here, do you make the adjustment? I mean, dude, so much uncertainty, you know, the impulse of the high volume and the consolidation that if you notice this, right, it's not charted, okay, from the low point to high point, the wicked to 618. Cool, right? But if you go from the high to low point, this wick right here that bounced off the 50 moving average, it also hit the 382. It had 38% retrace before getting rejected, and you know, this was like a nice spinning top and then bearish engulfing right after, and now we're just below the 20 moving average. Okay, so below both the fast scale moving averages, outside the upsloping channel, you know, but hey, still outside the downsloping old resistance. Okay, so yeah, man, just still all the uncertainty in the world. This is what gets people out of crypto, man. This is what makes people quit, right? The flags, the consolidation, the uncertainty, right? I mean, you had such a nice move. I mean, what are you even mad about, dude? You're still at 3,800, okay? I mean, it's better than being at 3,100 or lower, okay? So just be patient. Be patient. Still seems bearish because of the flag, right? The bear flag. But I don't know, man. Just got to get more variables to coincide with us for us to see, man. Again, there's other assets out there that look more promising. I mean, dude, there's just, when Bitcoin's consolidating, it's not giving us coinciding variables, start looking other places, man. It's really not that big a deal. You don't have to stare at Bitcoin all day, okay? Don't get attached. Don't Ripple people. Don't be attached to Ripple. It's not showing something that's promising for a trade. That's why we're here. That's why we do technical analysis. Technical analysis is not for feel good. It feels good, man. Oh my god, it feels good. So, you know, let's just get some confirmation bias on the technical analysis. No, let's not do that. Let's talk crap about Ripple if Ripple needs to be talked crap about technically or not, right? So ICX is up many percentage points today. We got ABBC.
End of the month moment. Time to march forward. Cosmic rays. End of the month moment. Cosmic. Time to march forward. Cosmic rays. Cosmic rays. Cosmic ray.
Gabrielle, thanks for the 1313. I do apologize. I don't know, man. I don't know where that problem is derived from. The double chime stuff. It all started when, you know, OBS came out with a crazy update a couple days ago, a few days ago, and it has everything to do with encoding. So streaming should be much easier now, like graphically for me and everyone else. But yeah, when you have updates like that, other issues arise. So having to deal with double chimes, it seems like it's the first tip of the day most of the time, I guess, and then it gets fixed after the first one. So Gabrielle, thanks for the 1313 premium course. Really appreciate it. And yeah, end of the month momentum. Yeah, man, let's see if March can bring in something better than February. And not talking about price action. Yeah, amen to that, Gabrielle. Amen to that. Okay, but we were just saying, like, ABBC. You know what ABBC is, man? It's Alibaba coin. And literally has nothing to do at all with Alibaba. See that, man? Like, no more double chimes. It's broken, dude.
Dude, what happened to the beard? Mr. Red Beard. Bring back the red beard. While you're at it, check out pics for me when you can.
Hey, Johnny Naeem, man, thanks for the 777 repeating, of course. Well, thanks, dude. What happened to the beard, man? Dude, do you know how much easier it is to pick up girls when you don't have a beard? Like, seriously, I mean, it is for me anyway. It's always been that way. Like, I don't know, man. I just needed a change up, dude. Okay, things changed for me, and I'm changing it up. I'm flipping the script a little bit. Okay, when I have big changes happen in my life, sometimes facial hair or no facial hair has something to do with, like, it's like symbolism for me for a new beginning, right? So There you go, Johnny man. That's why, dude. Because I'm not in a good place personally. I don't think I am. I mean, hey man, charts and all that stuff, streaming, trading, that's all great, man. But unfortunately, that's not everything there is to life. So, and you're dealing with a 7-day-a-week streamer, so you're gonna have to deal with the emotional baggage going on from time to time, because y'all are literally following my life for the most part. That's just like this world we live in. So, yeah. So when something happens to me, y'all are gonna feel it. Okay, good or bad. The ups and the downs. But yeah, dude, thank you, man. Alibaba coin, and that was Pivx. Okay, you want Pivx, yeah. Alibaba coin has nothing to do with Alibaba. ABBC, it's not even on TradingView. I tried to chart it, and you know, there was this ruling, this court case ruling that happened where it was like, hey, you can't use that name. Alibaba got pissed about it, and they said, okay, bring it on, dude, we'll go take it to court. And the judge ruled in Alibaba coin's favor, and it was saying that, hey, it's not causing any damages to revenue for Alibaba, so Alibaba coin gets to keep its name. What a joke. United Arab Emirates, you know, I think it's where it's out of. Okay, but that's it, dude. That's like kind of, I think, what's been going on with it, man. Okay, oh my god, they won the court case and they can remain Alibaba coin, but they still don't do anything. Yay. Crypto, man. Only in crypto or the .com bubble. Whatever, dude. Engine coin's up again, attempting a rally up like 10% or something like that, and that's great, man. But yeah, Aked, I know he mentioned something about Walton coin. Dude, I looked at it before I hit the overlay, you know, this overlay. Dude, yeah, Aked, good find, man. That's a trade setup right there on Walton coin, dude. We're gonna look at it. See, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the big ones, and then I guess we'll look at Pivx, and then we'll look at all the other ones, and then we'll look at Walton coin. Just like, you know, I'm trying to just have an agenda a little bit more, maybe with the top gainers and losers, just because, like, I don't know, man. We don't, you know, coin requests, they come and go. Some days we get too many, and then some days we don't get any. So, I think we're just going to look at those coins and talk about them and stuff. So, also hope y'all enjoyed the thumbnail I made for the video on Steam. Pretty funny, dude, right? Don't get cocky, kid. Okay. Let's go to Ethereum. I don't know, we just made an adjustment to the trend line. I don't know. Whatever. You can call it whatever you want, dude. If it's this, it's in a descending broadening wedge after an impulse to the downside. So it's just back up now, man. Look, from the low point to high point, we hit the 62% retrace, 128.23. All right, so dude, we fell out of the ascending broadening wedge, and really, we know the measure move. Those patterns way down the bottom of them, but we said on the way down, maybe we stall at the 200 moving average, or golden retrace, 78% retrace, whatever, or maybe even this bottom trend line of the potential huge ascending triangle, right? That bring you down to like 117, 118. So, man, again, it's just another one that you had the move. The move happened. 1, 2, 3. And then even up here, we showed bearish divergence and receding volume. I mean, like, there were coinciding variables here, and there were coinciding variables here at the top. At a critical area of resistance, 100% retrace with the divergence, right? So now, not really any divergence, no variables that are coinciding really for us to see. It's just not really, it's like a dead zone for me anyway. I mean, I don't see anything opportune on Ethereum like, oh my god, man, look at all these coinciding variables. And we're not getting that yet, man. Okay, so we're waiting. It's like we would wait on Bitcoin. Okay, there's just, if you think there's opportunity there, go ahead and give me your technical analysis, your reason why via technical analysis, why it's such a good trade setup opportunity literally right now. Okay, so whatever, man. Okay, we look for that, and that takes like decent amounts of time. Again, there are other assets to look at, other charts to scan while we wait on these bigger pairs. Okay, that's it. Anyway, you're in the golden zone, whatever, from the low to high, the retrace golden zone. Okay, you hit the bottom of it. So don't want to fall below that 200 MA. Never good if you do that. Okay, so anyway, that's really it. Right there. I wish there was more. Sorry, man. Just like that sometimes. Alright, so let's go 60-minute on this one. Still kind of going right. I mean, you know, still holding. You're just making higher lows but lower highs, right? Price contraction type stuff, right? Where you could almost argue there's a triangle going on right now again. Okay, dude. Alright, just whatever, dude. Okay, good job. Ripples forming another triangle. Where will we go? Well, we're about, you know, 55-60% of the way through the maturation of the pattern. So there you go, 60-minute triangle, dude. That's all I can tell you. Price, you're in the dead freaking middle of it. So where's the opportunity there? I don't know, man. Not your lowest risk area or anything like that. So this thing is the falling wedge trade, which hit that first minimum area, but 50%, 618 have not been hit yet. Okay, even after the news and the listing on Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, all that, still nothing, dude. Okay, so huh, not bad, man. Not bad. Okay. Well, here's your pivots, dude. Here's your pivots, man. Almost been a minute looking at it. You know, you Momo shift, you broke out, I think, of some sort of downsloping structure, and then upsloping support now, upsloping resistance, and I just think that you're just kind of in the middle of a little channel within the larger broadening pattern. Okay, so the lowest risk area is probably down here at 1623. But, you know, if you're talking about major discernible retraces, I'm talking major discernible swing high to swing low, we've only hit a 23% retrace. You would think that we would be able to somehow retrace more commonly and not make just a shallow retrace and be done. Price action isn't too bad after the move hitting that 236. Normally when you hit a retrace, or, you know, like a 23, 38, 50% retrace, you normally will reverse your price action and then move on down to those lower lows. We're not doing that, fortunately, right now. We're just kind of slightly down sloping, staying within the parameters of another pattern, whatever. So you could say, yeah, lowest risk area around 1550, whatever. You would expect us to maybe in time, if this market doesn't just completely crap out, which it's crypto, man, between the 3373 area and 4667 sat area. Okay, that's your golden zone for a retrace. So you would expect it to maybe run up and at least hit that area. Okay, there's your pivots, man. Just not, I don't know, man. We broke momentum, higher lows, higher highs, down sloping, consolidation after the impulse. Not terrible, not the worst thing in the world, I guess, right? Whatever, dude. Let's take a look at chat and then we'll move on to some of those other ones. Okay, and thanks for the 140 people here, really appreciate it. What's up? Bob Field was first, Kanatomo was second. Hey King Logan, Cover Crypto. Hey Arthur Beeswax, good afternoon, man. Jamie Gatrona, Game of Kangs 373. Yep, that's it, dude. Hey, good afternoon, Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Kaioken. What's up, Jeremy S? There we go. I think even 30 is too loud now. It's like reviewing it, and I'm like, dude, it's too loud. Subdivision, Moz, Joshua Robinson, good to see you too, man. Thanks for being here. And Aukhead, dude, yeah, Walton Coin, Adam Need double bottom, whatever kind of bottom it is, it's a double one. That's for sure, dude. We'll look at it. True Stoner, hello, dude. Eric Stewart says good evening from Washington, D.C. There you go, man. Welcome. From the Capitol. What's up, Miguel? Hey, Deemstar, how you doing, man? You're seeing a possible ETC down to 120. You're talking about ETH, right? I'm sure you mean ETH, not ETC. So Greg Morgan, dude. Whew. DS Cure 91. Hello, dude. Sam Easy, thanks for being here every day, man. I really do appreciate your support, dude. Seriously, man. Just want to say that. And everyone, really. Cosmic Rays, Gabriel. May your dailies be merry and bright. Thanks, man. I need a bullish engulfing candle on high volume. That's what I need. Okay. Looking for it, dude. I don't even know if I have bearish convergence or bullish divergence right now. Honestly, it's sucks, man. Liquidity increased for XRP being listed on Coinbase. Is that true, Sam? Hey, Robert A. Nice to see you too, man. So blockhead. Remember tonight, if you want to participate in it, if you're a patron, it's a pre-game, right? The 30 minutes before the night stream tonight, we're going to hang out and get coin requests, asset requests, whatever charts you want to look at. Just shoot the S. I don't know, man. I might go get some alcohol. I haven't drank since Saturday, dude. So, just might start the weekend early, because, shoot, man. Why not? Hey, Zachary, man. Hey, dude, Zachary, I got my homeowner's insurance people coming out to fix my stove and my fridge tomorrow. The guy texted me, the tech coming out, his name's Zach. I thought about you, man. Thought it was hilarious, dude. Like, Zachary will get a kick out of this on stream. So, Wall Magello, man. Thanks, Bob, dude. Claudio. Fork Day. Is it Fork Day? Ethereum Fork Day, man? Unreal, dude. Hey, Cal Capone, dude. I'm just trying to get through chat, y'all. What's up, Gurney, man? Says greetings from the lowlands. Oh, yeah? The lowlands. What you talking about? There's a lot of lowlands. Where at? Just get a face tattoo. That'll work, Bill Battle, man. Feelings unsub. Yeah. Wolf of Worcester, what's up, dude? Brent Jaggers, how you doing, man? Thanks, dude. I'll put it on the list, okay. So a lot of letters, dude. Okay. I don't even know if I can write that much. But yeah, I wrote it down the way you typed it, okay. Hey, Chaylin, man. Alibaba and his crypto thieves, man. Yeah. It's not even their fault. It's not even their fault. Thanks, Jurgen, man. I appreciate it, dude. I don't feel too hot. I don't feel like I look good. Okay? But thanks, man. Yeah, tomorrow's the beginning of the... Holy crap, dude. Yeah, leap year, dude. Tomorrow's March 1st, if you didn't know. And that is the best time to sign up for Patreon for trade setups and education and Discord exclusivity. Get closer to me and the members of the Patreon. Alright, that's how we keep this show going, man. I mean, dude, if you want me to stream twice a day, it's absolutely one of the top ways to contribute to this stream by being a Patreon. I mean, or a patron. You get amenities by supporting the channel. It's great. Win-win. What's up, 1G Project? Alex, hello, dude. David Wolf is scared to ask a question. Oh my God, man. Be scared. Be very afraid, dude. Pivot's okay. So, I don't know, a little convergence now because you're actually making a higher low than your previous low. Very interesting, right? You maybe bottomed. Well, you ran up. You're still inside the little channel, right? So on the way down though, lower low. Here was some divergence. You ran up. And the short term, nothing. Yeah, no real divergence right now. If we make one more low, maybe we'll get some more real divergence. Okay, so again, like I think you're looking at one of your best areas of entry around 1550. If this upsloping supports to hold. Okay, the wick. Hey, good luck, man. With low liquidity S coins, you're gonna get the wicks. It's part and parcel of it, dude. So. Dude, a lot of these S coins are like literally in Vegas Vacation where they go to the casino that lets you play war and lets you play pick a number between 1 and 10. Okay, that's a lot of these S coins. When you play them, they'll end up playing you. All right, give me a sec. Let me let's look at ICX real quick. Okay, yeah, this one's up a lot today. Continue government? Nah, it's pulling back, man. Pulling back right at the old area of support. It was a support, August 13th, 2018. We're hitting that, rejecting it, okay. But this, hey, okay, not some sort of type of double bottom, maybe, right? Some sort. It makes sense, right? But it's like triple bottom or something. So anyway, it just seems like you broke a down sloping trend line. And you're just shifting momentum. Your momentum shifted, and that's just how it works, man. So now we run it. We're running up, and we're expecting, hopefully, because it's not going to be easy to break this 760 sat area because of this resistance. But the good news is, on the 4-hour, you're not overbought. So maybe we keep running, but you'll stall out a little bit. You might like impulse up. Look at the consolidation we saw for like days, and then we ran up again. So. You could expect maybe some consolidation soon and then run up again, hopefully, if it's to respect the fibs, man. Look, the discernible major swing high back from August 26th, from that high point to low point, you would expect between 879 sats and 1100 sats on ICX to BTC. That's it. Okay, so that was a big winner today. ABBC, Alibaba coin, dude. Nothing I can do for you, dude. Here it is, man. No symbols matched your criteria. That's what Alibaba was saying in the lawsuit. And it didn't work out for them either. Okay, so Engine coin's up 10%, right? So look at it real quick. Look, dude, this is what Benito reminds me of. Benito coin. Okay, like you had the huge pump, and then you just got the lower highs and the pretty much horizontal line support. It's almost just like a freaking descending triangle. Okay, man. And maybe you might look out here and be like, dude, no, man, no, dude, it's a falling wedge, dude. Okay, it's closer to a descending triangle than it is a falling wedge, man. So it's just a form of consolidation where if you broke out, your move's gonna not be much, and you're gonna sell off, make a lower high, and then sell off again. Okay, so that's what I think anyway. I think we're probably setting up for lower prices, but you never know, man. Look, this thing was nuts, man, right? It was range bound. Arguable that look, I mean, it's really, if it's a range, that means it's a rectangle, some sort of rectangle, easy measure move from the bottom to the top of the rectangle. From the breakout you measure, and this was it, and this was the measure move, and guess what, we're slightly above it now. At one time we sold off below it, but at one point we hit all the way up to 2,945 sats. Jeez, man. Okay, just insanity. But look what happens when Momo shifts. Good things can happen. Things like this seldom happen. I think this was a news-driven event, but dude, the Momo shifted. We just looked at Pivx. Pivx had the same little down-sloping channel. Okay, it was a higher low than your previous low, another higher low, and then you broke to the upside. Okay, the Momo shifted. So, great, man. Great. So another big winner today. Oh, and of course, we must look at STEEM. Aw, don't get cocky, kid. Don't get freaking cocky. Look, man, you broke the channel, you broke out, but who cares? You still had another structure that had been developed, right? This downsloping resistance, downsloping support, parallel, channel. You reverse your price action pretty much at the 1414, but it seems like you're running back up the 1272 and hitting it and selling off. But anyway, I mean, there you are, man. High risk area. The bear is walking along the downsloping resistance, saying, "Will you break this? I don't know how you will. You're overbought right now. You're overbought." But hey, man, set up your alerts, dude. If we hear the beep on STEEM, you know you're breaking, maybe shifting momentum. Right, that's it. Is that cool, man? Is that cool, anybody, man? Alright, still making lower highs than your previous highs. That's trendy. That's a big trend going on. How's it, man? Okay. Gotta like the higher lows. That's about it so far. If you really want to be a king, you really got to break 1240 sats. Not going to be easy being overbought. And with the downside resistance, whatever. So, anyway. So, Wendy, brown eye. David Wolf, it's okay. You're just a person holding. I don't like that word. Keep up with the market. Hey, man, that's cool, dude. Nothing wrong with that, man. Just an indecision right now on Bitcoin. You just come here to chill and listen to the tunes, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut that out soon or not, man. Because like, I feel like my hand's being forced. Okay, it just doesn't make sense. People grow, and it's not like they have better quality content or better TA. They just grow because they're partnered with YouTube and they play ads, and they don't play copyright music. And so that's really hindered my growth as a channel, and it's really crappy because I mean, I want to affect people. I want to affect as many people positively as I can in this world. And if I'm being bottlenecked that way, that really sucks, man, right? So, I mean, I applied for YouTube partner. I mean, you want to see the criteria for being a YouTube partner, man. Right? There it is, dude. Channel under review. Okay, what you need to have to become a YouTube partner is you need to have 4,000 watch hours, and you need to have 1,000 subs. And this is like watch hours in 12 months. I have 122,769, and you know, obviously 4,366. So that's coming eventually. They'll say, "Hey, man, yeah, you're good to go. You're good to go for." Partnership, play ads, all that. I hate it, man. It's like, it sucks, dude. But we're gonna mess with it if it doesn't change. Like if I started and it doesn't work, if like I'm not growing organically like I used to, then I'll just turn it back off. So what's up, Andros Petroman? You wish you could know when the next S-Coin's gonna pump, David Wolfman. Should have been here on the 6th or 7th of February. Right? Hey, Captain Happy, man. World Eye, I appreciate the kind words, man. I really appreciate it, dude. Yeah. What's up, Mobius, dude? Florence, man. When's B&B gonna get promoted to local on the 8th? Wolf of Worcester. Those 3 spots are reserved for the top 3 market cap cryptocurrencies, man. Litecoin used to be there. Litecoin was taken off, got voted off the local on the 8th. Okay, long ago. like a year ago. So, are we drinking beer at 100 likes, Stygian, man? I don't really even have any beer here. I need to go get some, and I can do that. I'm probably gonna drink tonight, I guess. Like whatever, man. Okay. Norbert, thanks, dudes. Glad you're here to enjoy it with us, man. The fork happened a couple hours ago. Marcus, thanks, man. Okay, thank you, dude. Zatch know how to fix stuff. Be sure to call him Zachery. Yeah, dude, I'm definitely calling him that, man. Holy crap, dude. Oh, wow. Holy crap, dude. Y'all know. Real quick, I just found this out, so don't get mad at me. Dude. What? Hold on. Where is this thing, man? Dude. Here it is. Hey. Our very own Drizzt Adam Felsman. It is his name day. It's his birthday today, man. Adam, I don't know if you're out there, man, but because I haven't gone through chat, but man, congratulations on another great year, and thanks so much for all the effort and support you gave over all those months, man. This community would not be the same without you, and I know you're just continuing to ascend as a person, and we wish you well, man, and we love you, dude. All right, happy birthday, Adam, dude. Have we gone over vet, Nokia? Nah, man, we can look at vet though, dude. Of course, we'll look at vet for you, man. What's up, Bud Tom, Buddha Tom? When I get to Walton Coin, oh, bullish cipher pattern. Really interesting. Well, we're actually about to go to it right now. I wish I could type. I wish I could write B cipher, but it's like bullish, bearish, whatever. Hey, Sarah Bill. You know, it's whatever, right? Okay, we're gonna just move on. All right, again, happy freaking birthday, Adam, dude. Kangs. Cheers. Man, you can't say it hadn't been a long time coming for any kind of move to the upside for Walton Coin if it's to come. And that is an uncertainty still. We haven't seen Walton Coin really do anything since August. And that move up was just another lower low than the previous low, right? Inside the structure, the downsloping channel. But here we go, man, sideways. You went sideways and now you're just struggling to find selling pressure to bring you down to lower lows for now. And so that seems to be that it's manifesting into some sort of Adam and Eve Aukhead double bottom. Oh yeah, the oh so coveted bullish cipher though. I'm confused on that one, man, because you have an almost identical double bottom, right? I mean, it's almost exactly the same. Like, there's no difference. But maybe you're talking about... give me a sec. Let me get rid of this crazy champagne glass. You're talking about... X, A, B, C, D... Hold on a sec. Sorry, man. Let me pull out the book, dude. Okay. We always get confirmation, right? I guess I see what you're saying, right? You're trying to do this, right? Okay, you let me know if I'm wrong here. You're trying to say X to A. See, this retrace is too much, man. 80% retrace, you should only be retracing 62% of the way max, man. You've got a really strong retrace. Now this wick, that's still too much, man. Too much of a retrace. But then I get what you're saying. You go here. That's fine. Yeah, that's like perfect there. And then you're down here, right? Is that what you're saying? And we've already... See, that retrace is way too much. It's too extreme of a retrace. This is a 95 or 96% retrace, and we got to have a 78% retrace here. We don't have that. All right, we just don't have, like, I get it, man, but to me, it just looks like a perfect Aukhead double bottom. That's what it looks like to me, dude. And you got a long way to run. And really, you may not even get to the top, but if you do, that's great. That could be like your third target. But like, you just do like this high point to low point. All right, you're just looking for the 382, 50%, 618, 786 again, right? Just one of these. You get any target you want, right? But yeah, I mean, why not do this, man? Why not do this thing? Okay. All right, dude. We're gonna do it, man. We're gonna do it. And we're gonna get learned, dude. We're gonna get learned. So, Aukhead, man, thanks for ushering in this nice little segment. Oh my god. Yeah, he sure scythed her. Oh my god. Okay, bullish diver pattern, man. Alright. Pretty simple, man. Okay, you've got your pattern. X day, the impulse, the first impulse. Doesn't really matter where it goes. Okay? But then you want to retrace. After that X day, right? When you retrace, you want to retrace the low point to high point, 32, between 38.2 and 62% of the way, right? So we go as low as this right here. You don't want to go any lower than this, though. That is like literally the cutoff. And then we run up. Then we run up between 113% retrace and 141.4% retrace. So we can go as high as this. I'm trying to make it perfect, but I don't know if I can. Sometimes you just can't, man. All right, close enough. So it's 141% retrace. That's the highest. You don't want to go any higher than that. And then you have a big sell-off from C to D. Where we retrace from X to A. No, X to C. Retrace 78.6% of the way. No, lower than that, not really. 70.6% retrace. Okay, so there you have it, man. Okay, so X day retrace between a 382. Oh, now I'm trying to type this, man. Try to create a visual here. It's not easy, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay. Okay, so X to B. That's what we're just gonna call it that because that's the way it's plotted and drawn. Okay, between 38% and 61.8% retrace. Okay, X to B, and then from A to C. A to C, you want to have a between a 113% retrace to a 141.4% retrace. Okay, A to C, right? And that just means you go from the high point here to the low point on your anchor points, right? High to low. It gives you a 1414 fib extension up there, okay? That's how these things are plotted, okay? It's traditional fibbing. You don't have to have this. It's a great tool, though. Wonderful trading view. We love you, man. All right? Thanks for the help. Okay. Then from B to D, all right, something I didn't bring up. Okay, from B to D, you need to have between a 1272% retrace and a 200% retrace. So that's definitely going to give you maybe some leeway on that X to D retrace. And I'll show you this in a second. Let me just get all this written down. And this is there's no wiggle room here on it on X to D. 70% retrace. Okay, so from B to D, from your low point to high point. That's how you get your fibs here. From your low to high, you can go between the 1272, right, all the way to a 200% retrace. I know it's a crazy, and it's weird, right? And it doesn't even make sense. These two need to really line up, okay? All right, you can't start getting down to the 1414, 1618 and think it's any kind of valid pattern, man. I think it all, like the 786 has to be met. That's the area of entry anywhere in this zone. Okay, I think anywhere between the 786 and the 1414. Okay, so there you go. There's your bullish cipher pattern. If you enjoyed this education on the cipher pattern, the bullish cipher, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Kings, kingdom, whatever, dude. All right. Thanks, all kid, man. We got on a tangent. You never know when you're gonna get targeted for a tangent, an educational tangent, or something that's gonna benefit you positively. Sweet, man. Anyway, it's not even there. Anyone at all, dude? Come on. I can't even. No, because I need red chat. Minor setback, major comeback. Yep. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, right? Just taking a retrace, 50% retrace, 50% retrace, and go again. YouTube is definitely late stage at this point. Yeah. Hey, Voltaire. I don't know, Crypto Daily. I don't even really know. I mean, it might be just a whole industry thing, I guess. I don't even know, man. It's probably a combination between both. People have collectively watched me for 14 years. I guess it's an interesting stat, right? Yeah, that's true, Captain Happy. But I think once you start Super Chat, you can't go back. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm already paying 30-something% to the government, okay? I gotta pay 30% more to YouTube, man? Give me a freaking break, man. Where does it end? Where does it end? Beer is good, yeah. Yeah, last 15 minutes of the market, yeah, we're going on right now. We got 8 more minutes till the daily close, so we're gonna keep our eye on that. We're just looking at Walton coin. Hey, man, very simple, dude. Okay, there are many ways you can strategize this potential trade setup, right? You could try to wait one more time. I don't know if you're gonna get that. The optimum entry, of course, is at 2630 sats. I just don't know if you'll get it again. So, look, you could wait for your opportunity that you could miss. I know FOMO, right? But it sucks, man. We just, Alked brought it up, and it's like, dang, dude. Okay, so literally optimum entry right here with a tight stop. I mean, you could talk about 50% retrace.
Is that a joint?
Just logged for that nugget of education. Many thanks.
Hey, Vincent today, man. Thanks for the 420 contribution, dude. Really appreciate it, man. Thanks. So you want to be conservative. You could wait for another entry if you get one. You might not, okay? And then you have a great reward to risk, right? Down here. Or if you want to, look, dude. Oh my God, there's just a lot, man. There's a lot you can do here. Same type of stuff. I should just mimic that. Look, you can go to 618, 786, or you could go to the top. You could say, hey man, it is a huge potential double bottom. It really is, man. Like, this is textbook right here. Okay, so the way you're supposed to trade, one would trade rationally a potential double bottom is getting in on the bottom, just like getting in on that right shoulder, the inverse head and shoulders, right? And your first target is the very top, the neckline, and that's the neckline up here, dude, way up here, man. That's that discernible swing high between the two bottoms, right? That's what gives you the discernible swing or double bottom, that high, that pinnacle, that apex, whatever. Okay, so you could look at it like that. And if you were like, hey man, this thing's gonna actually play out and work out, holy crap, dude. In this case, measure move at this thing is very, very large. Okay, we know that's what she said. Okay, funny. Okay, so then you got this, man. And you just do, okay, jeez, are you kidding me, man? What? Yeah, that's where you are. It's almost like a no risk trade. You lose here, you're not losing much, but dude, the wins could be momentous on Walton Coin if this plays out. If it doesn't play out, again, dude, we aren't in the game of making predictions about where something's going, but we see something setting up the way it's set up a billion different times on a billion different assets. This is the beginning. This is how it always looks at the beginning before the move up. So when we take their shots, hey, could be great, man. So you gotta think about it. Like, you could look at it just like a standard fib, man. Hey man, I'm conservative. I'm happy with a 50% and 62% retrace, or even a 78% retrace. Or you could be way more open to this and say, dude, this looks like a much larger pattern developing. I'm not so worried about the fibs because I think that we'll run up and test this again. And someone else would say, hey man, I think we're gonna break out to the upside of the double bottom and hit the measure move way up here, dude. So Walton Coin, man, just a walkthrough of just ways to size this up. Potential trade setup. Interesting, man. Thanks again, Kid, man, scanning those charts. If you scan the chart, you see something, you shout it out, talk about potential patterns with divergence. Look at this divergence, man. I didn't even talk about it. Look, the low, the same low, higher levels, relative strength, beautiful divergence on this double bottom here, okay? Wow, man. Can't get much better looking than this, dude. This is exactly how they look, okay? So, anyway, let's get this more chat, and then we'll head on to the local on the 8s. Take a look at the daily close for Bitcoin, okay? You want to ascend as a person, David Wolfman? Do it, man. Do it. Invest in yourself every day. If you've invested in yourself mentally, start investing in yourself physically. That's what I've started doing kind of recently, the past like 2 weeks. Really, really just going hard, man. It's like, you know, like I've put in enough work mentally today, reading, studying, scanning charts, all that. Okay, time to put it to bed for a little bit and just work out. Just like I'll do the routine I was doing, but I'll just be working out while I do it, right? Watching something on YouTube or whatever, audiobook, something, okay? So Peter Pie, I'm alright, man. Like, as good as you could be, man, okay, for the particular situation. It sucks. So much to like you, dude. Good to see you again, man. And now it is time. We're going in. Okay. One minute, 30 seconds, and it looks like we're going to be closing. For the first time, actually. For the first time, we're going to be closing outside of the upsloping support. Below it. That's not good. What is primal based? Dude, I have no idea, Taylor. Sure thing, Alex. What's up, Rick, dude? Rick Schmitz, man. What's up, 2 bits, man? Sure thing, David. I'll be happy with 10%. I don't think so, man. I don't think so, dude. I'll just not grow. If that's the case, I just won't grow, man. Hey, Stone Man Eating Stones, dude. What's up, man? Checking in from work. You never catch the day streams. Well, glad you made it, man. Glad you made it, and thanks for shouting out, saying something in chat, dude. What's up, Graham Dougherty? Says YouTube lost their way. He thinks it's time for the next idea to come. One. Alabama tax is out of date. Yeah. All right, there it is. There it is. You can always tell in the peripheral when that move happens. So, yep, closed outside of the channel for the first time for real. So again, from the low to high, the wick hit the golden retrace. Our most previous wick hit a 50% retrace. Weird. Monthly candle about to close too. Did it close? Anyone? It's really not that big a deal. I get it, man. You know, once every month, but very slow time scale. Like, you're not going to get much out of that. Well, believe me, Captain Happy, man. Getting 100% of small business in the situation, I believe, would be far greater than 10% of big business. Seriously. Yeah, I'm on Twitch, dude. Yeah, experiment. I'm not doing that, man. That's not what I do. That's not what I was taught. That's not how I've learned it, and I don't want to do that, man. It's weird. Not my thing. And those people, hey, look, you know what? I won't grow then. If that's what people want, then they're not gonna get it from me. They can get it from someone else, and that's fine, dude. Thanks, Dirty Fergie, man. Okay, so you guessed it. No volatility. Nothing at the daily close, monthly close, hourly close, whatever. Okay, it's all, yeah. Just, but the significant development is being outside the channel now, first time, and whatever. So, if something happens, I'll let you know. Ethereum, we're just gonna reiterate again. There you go, man. I think, you know, if you just adjust trend lines and stuff, some sort of descending broadening wedge, but who knows about the wick, man, right? Who even knows, dude? So a lot of space down here. And Ethereum's doing the same thing as Bitcoin, right? The wick down to the 618, and now you're most recently wicking out the 50% retrace. So again, dude, you got a downsloping resistance that is around 143.25. You can break that. Hey, man, might make a nice move up. But right now, as we do know, on the retrace down, we're in the golden zone, just in the dead middle of the golden zone. So, oh my God, the monthly close, man! Holy crap! Okay, I guess I'm gonna XRP and then we'll just move on. Whatever. There you go, dude. 60-minute, 4-hour, you can see the price contraction happening, right? 2 highs, 2 lows. That's about it. Okay, looks even better on the 60-minute inside of the upsloping channel, right? Upsloping channel on the breakout of the falling wedge. It looks really good here. Okay, the main targets you're looking for, 37.5, 39.7. I don't know if we're going to get there. We had the 382 and never saw those prices again. So, whatever, man. Give me some. Okay. Oh boy. Well, there you go, man. Yep. Here's your metal, dude. MTL. Disgustingly bearish. Alright, just the structure is real. Got close to the top, never touched it. And you know, you had an upsloping support that was very apparent, but and I said this, it was not like we had some sort of rising wedge, which you maybe could have made the argument for anchor point 1 and 2. Hey Jake, thanks for the sub, man. First sub of the day. After an hour and 3 minutes. Wow. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate it, man. Welcome. Okay, so look, man. You also had another support. You had the channel. We're at the bottom of the channel now. Okay, the upsloping channel. So I don't know, man. I think you're retracing. Okay. From your low point to high point. You retraced right at that 50%, okay? 50% with a little bit of divergence, just a little bit at the 200 moving average. You're getting a little bit of divergence on both oscillators on metal, dude. Okay, just a little bit. So maybe, just maybe it's a low risk area where you can pivot and run again. Dude, I don't know, man. It's just so overwhelmingly bearish, and you've already had a really nice move to the upside. I mean, you at one point in January, you went from 591 sats all the way to a high of 998. Dude, almost you know, gained like almost doubled in value in that period of time. And since sold off. What's up, Peter, man? Thanks, dude. So I don't know, man. There's some divergence, so it's saying impending price action reversal to the upside. Great. So you would just, you zoom in a lot. There's probably some sort of resistance that is downsloping to break, right? See it like that, false breakout, you adjust, okay, not very strong. Is there anything else here? 1, 2, 3, see the wick, I mean, come on, dude. Yeah, maybe metal's got a falling wedge or something. I mean, you have a move up, and after that move, you have lower highs and lower lows, and there's price contraction, down sloping price contraction. So maybe a falling wedge, dude. You got some divergence that could lift you up if you broke out. I would probably just go from the high of the pattern, the height of the pattern, to the low to get a 50%, 60% retrace for targets. Okay, on metal, dude. Who cares? There you go, man. Nice, dude. Hold on. Good Lord. Better be careful on this one, dude. Better be real careful on this one. I mean, I get it, right? I get what you're... Sure, it could move up again, man. This is FUSZD verb technology. This is verb. All right. It's the only thing you can do. And really, man, from your high to low, we discussed the golden zone, 382, 50%, 618. Well, you've hit it. You hit the 50%. You're making a double top. Okay, get ready. Get ready for the move down. Look, man, you ran up, you broke down, you rallied. You failed. You failed the rally to make a higher high. And really, quite frankly, there's that divergence on the RSI, right? Shoot, man, 60 minute. Let's go to 4 hour. How we looking there? Oh, it's even worse on the 4 hour. Even freaking worse, man. Okay. Because now it's very, very clear there is a Class B bearish divergence. Look at this high. Look at the same high, man. The exact high. It's really a higher high. Barely, but it's there if you zoom in. And you got this going on. That is saying impending price action reversal to the downside. Okay. So expect lower prices, at least temporarily. Okay. After hitting the first area of the golden zone. You got to be happy about that, but this is really bad looking stuff right here. I'm just saying. On Verb, not Verge, Verb. It's Verge's cousin or something. Okay, great. All right, 1G Project, have a good one, man. Sure not. There is no new money coming into crypto, Chris. Yeah, that is a reality. There's a new wallet called Bag. Thor. I mean, I know. Still going, man. Still going.
VeChain doing things.
Still trying, attempting, man. Really is. It's doing all it freaking can. Some sort of ascending triangle, whatever, miniature. Like there's a sell wall, and there's accumulation. Okay, so those targets were hit on the wedge. That's great, man. Great news there. Got as high as the 886 and back tested the 786 3 to 4 times. So you can see it a little better. There you go. The shift in momentum, the low, the lower low, the double bottom. Now the higher low, higher low, higher lows. All right. Let's see if we can break the chains of this range. Okay, the overhead resistance is between 127 sats and 129. If we can break that, man, you got a really, really good shot of hitting 167 because, dude, why do we dump? Because there's no support looking left. Why would we pump with very little resistance? Because look left, man, there's nothing there that would stop us from running up to these levels. That's how it works. Just saying, man. Dude, you were in a downsloping channel since September 5th. You broke out and mid to late December, and you've just been slowly but surely shifting the momentum. Okay, so keep your eye on VeChain, man. Keep your eye on 127 to 129 sats, man. That's the big one, dude. You break that, it might be liftoff. All right. Something else that can happen, of course, is we hit the top, we sell off all the way to the bottom again, and then you got a low risk at 102 sats all over again, man. Okay, so we're just going to end it on that one. Been live for an hour and 12 minutes, y'all. Thanks so much for showing up and just being here every day, okay? Because I really appreciate y'all. Thanks, Gabrielle. Thanks for Johnny Naeem, and thanks, Vincent. Thank y'all three for the contributions today. It means everything, okay? Those contributions are what make me be able to stream multiple times a day. That and the Patreon, right? That's so you make me whole, so I can show up and keep providing you with market analysis. So much love. Till next time, and I don't know, I'll try to drink tonight, I guess, to be more fun or something. So until next time, respect, T Day.
That boy is good.
I like turtles.
Adios, turd nugget.